As residents and visitors know, Conway is a beautiful area to live and come to relax in. However, litter is an issue we have here in the county. We have a wonderful team at ERF who work incredibly hard to pick up litter from the numerous bins and deal with the recycling centres as well. However, even though they picked up 13 tonnes of litter from our waste bins, there's litter being deposited around the towns and around the countryside and just thrown on the ground. We're asking you to respect our towns, respect our countryside, and if there's a bin that's full, please move on to the next one. Most towns have got them within a few hundred metres, and if you're in the countryside, please take it home. We want to keep this area beautiful for our residents and our visitors so you can enjoy it time and time again, and let's keep Conway a good, clean place to be, relax, live and enjoy ourselves.